In this video, we will deploy our TensorFlow application using Docker. You can find the first video of creating the TensorFlow app in the description. First, we need to install Docker. I will install Docker Desktop for Windows because I'm using Windows, and then I will run it as an administrator to install it. Then we will open Docker Desktop. We need to have a green button here, which means that Docker is working properly. If not, the rest of the tutorial will not work. I will open my VS Code editor. Make sure to install the Docker extension for debugging support. I need to create the requirements.txt file, so I will install the Piprex library. I will type pip install Piprex, and then I will type Piprex. So here is our requirements.txt file that contains the libraries we need later in this tutorial. I will create the Docker file without extension and with capital D to build the Docker image. Then I will create a Python-based image using my Python version. Then I will add the app.py file to the directory in the Docker container. We want to copy the requirement file from source to destination. The dot means this directory, the container directory. We will run command to upgrade pip and install the libraries inside requirement.txt file. And then we will copy all the files to the image folder. I will use the port 5000, expose 5000, and then we will run cmd flask run host 0000 and port 5000. As best practice, we will create this folder docker-compose.yml, which is used to run multi-container Docker applications, but in our case, we have just one application. We type services. I will name the app application, container name as application, then the image. I will use my username / the name of the app, application. You need to change the username to your username in Docker Hub. Ports, I will specify 5000:5000. Then we will build context dot, which means in this file, in this folder, and Docker file with capital D. Now we will run this command on terminal. Docker compose app -- build. Then we will push our image to Docker Hub by typing this command, docker compose push. In our Docker Hub account, in repositories, we will find the image of our app. So here we have our image is public. You can change it to private in settings. Now we can run this app on the cloud using Play with Docker. So this website will let you run your Docker images in instances for maximum 4 hours. So I will click Start and then add new instance. I will type the following command, docker run -p 5000 colon 5000 my username and then /application. So after we run this command, we will wait some time and then a new button, a blue button, will appear. For the port of the application, 5000. So we will click on it and here is our TensorFlow app on the web. But as I said, this instance will be deleted after 4 hours. If you have a question, leave it in the comments section below. Like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe to the channel.